Welcome to the updated Spun Web Call Center walkthrough. This recording starts at the Admin Operations console and then moves into the User Seat dashboard. Q Health gives managers a quick view of inbound and outbound activity, including callbacks, missed calls, pickup timing, and service level health. In Seats, admins create users, assign extensions, connect email, choose routing permissions, and map VoIP phone numbers or other provider assets to a specific person or agent. Call scripts and call lists support multiple scripts per category, automatic script selection by call type, and admin-controlled outbound campaigns. The knowledge base is editable, searchable, and approval-based, so Seats and AI agents have the right guidance during calls. Tickets can be manual, automatically opened from calls, or drafted by AI from a transcript. The important control is approval. The system can require a person to review an AI ticket before it becomes official. Recording supports provider-hosted and self-hosted SIP modes, custom consent announcements, retention rules, transcripts, and playback links. Projects group clients, tasks, contact lists, seats, scripts, reporting, and AI agents into one operating unit. The AI agent section is the main automation hub. AI agents can be configured like digital seats with extensions, email addresses, inbound or outbound roles, project assignment, prompts, workflows, scripts, and model provider settings. Workflow templates guide inbound support, outbound sales, lead qualification, appointment reminders, routing, ticket updates, post-call summaries, and escalation behavior. This lets AI agents handle routine calls while keeping approval gates for tickets and live provider actions. Admin, mail, reporting, and production pages complete the control layer with roles, reset settings, cPanel mailbox management, Notion or internal reporting, provider health, job visibility, releases, rollback, and audits. The second half shows the User Seat dashboard. The soft phone and script tab keeps the dialer next to the active call script. The dialer is zoomed in here to show call, hold, mute, transfer, three-way call support when available, hang up, and pop-up mode. Tickets and mail keep callbacks, messages, drafts, and customer context together. Analytics and knowledge help the seat track performance and find approved guidance. The Chrome extension gives the same protected soft phone access from the browser. This is the current Spun Web Call Center feature walkthrough with the updated admin, AI agent, and seat workflows.